Okay, so today we are going to learn how to divide fractions using a set and area model. First, we're going to start off by reading our word problem. Sally and her friends have 1/4 of a pizza left. They want to divide the rest of their pizza up and give it to 12 of their friends. How much pizza does each person get? So looking at our word problem, we are dividing 1/4 into 12 because she has 1/4 of a pizza left over, and she wants to divide that into to 12 of her friends to see how much pizza each one will get. So first we're going to start by using the set model. Now we have to look at our fractions. So we have 1/4 as our fraction, and we have to remember that a fourth is not our actual whole. It is just a part of the whole pizza that she used to have. So with that in mind, we are going to look at our denominator, and our denominator is 4. So we're going to draw 4 sets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that we have our 4 sets, we're going to take our 12 markers, and we are going to divide these up into our 4 sets. One thing to remember when we're dividing our pens up is that each set has to have an equal amount of objects in it. So to make it go by a little bit faster, we are going to skip count, because we can skip count in order to divide them up into the four sets. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, as you can see, we have divided our 12 markers up into the 4 sets, and each set has an equal amount of 3 markers in it. So that means Sally's friends will each get 3 slices of pizza. As a side note, if we were demonstrating this model as using a number line, a common misconception students have is when they make their tick marks on their number line, like this, many students will start to label their tick marks as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Now this is not correct because we are using fractions. So we would actually label the markers as 1/12, 2/12, 3/12, 4/12, 5/12, 6/12, and so on. Okay, now moving on with our lesson, we are now going to demonstrate this problem using an area model. An area model is used with a grid. Now, looking back at our word problem, we are dividing it into 12 we're dividing it into 12. Dividing the pizza up into 12 people. So our area model needs to have a total of 12 squares in it. Okay, we'll use a different number. So let's count our area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so we have 3, 6, 9, 12 as our area, because that is the number that we are dividing it into. Okay, now just like we did with the sets, we had 4 sets. We need to divide our area into 4 different sets. So we have 1 set right here, another set right here, that's 2, 3, and 4. So we have divided our area of 12 into 4 different sets because that is the denominator of our fraction. So since Sally only has 1/4 of the pizza left, we must take away one of the areas, so that is our numerator, and that leaves us with 3 areas left, which would mean that we now have that each person would get 3 slices of pizza.